Hello everybody, it's standard 6. Subject is English grammar. Now let's check out chapter number 7, pronouns, personal pronouns, number, gender and case. Okay, so we are going to check out chapter number 7 and its name is pronouns, personal pronouns, number, gender and case. Okay, so words used in place of nouns are called pronouns. What do you mean by pronouns? Words that are used in place of nouns. Okay, in place of nouns, whichever words we are using, that is known as pronouns. Okay, for example, Savita is riding a bicycle. Okay, Savita is riding a bicycle. So, Savita stopped at the garden to play. Savita stopped at the garden to play. So, instead of Savita, if we will write down she, let us use the pronoun she instead of Savita in the second sentence and rewrite it. So, how we can use the pronouns in this sentence? Savita is riding a bicycle. She stopped at the garden to play. So instead of Savita, what they have used? They have used she. Okay, instead of Savita, they have used she. So let's check out the features. Pronouns are used instead of noun. Okay, pronouns are used instead of noun. So in the place of noun, we can use pronouns. They help make sentences shorter and simpler. Okay, so they help to make our sentences shorter as well as to make it simple. Okay, now few examples of pronouns are I, he, she, it, he, his, her, ours, theirs, hers or yours. Okay, so all these are known as personal pronouns, or these are known as pronouns. Okay, all these are known as pronouns. Now a number, there is an exercise A. Circle the pronouns in the given sentences. First number. Okay, before first number there is an example. I am feeling very hungry. I am feeling very hungry. So let us check out. Jay is too young to go to school alone, so he goes to school with Ramu. Okay, so in this, if you will check it out, then you will come to know that instead of here, Joy is very young, right? Joy is very young to go to school alone, so he is pronoun. Okay, he goes to school with Ramu, so he is pronoun. Okay, here he is pronoun. Next, Rita and Sita are twins. They study in the same classes. Okay, they study in the same classes. So here Rita and Sita are twins. They study in the same class. So they is our pronoun. Okay, they is our pronoun. The next one, third number, she was crying because she was lost in the forest. Okay, so here she was crying because she is what? She is our pronoun. Okay, she was crying because she was lost in the forest. So she, in both the in the third one, she, both the side she has been written, first one and middle one, both she is pronoun. Okay, then fourth number, would you like to have some tea? So would you? Okay, you is pronoun. Okay, you is pronoun. Sixth number, I have lost the new mobile phone. So I is pronoun. 6 number, Rohan is a good boy. He always works hard. So he, okay, instead of Rohan they have used he in the second sentence. Okay, so he is pronoun. And 7 number, he is the new boy in the class. So he is the pronoun. Okay, he is pronoun. Now let's check it out. Next, different kinds of pronouns. Reciprocal pronoun, personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, distributive pronoun, interrogative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, relative pronoun, emphatic pronoun, and reflexive pronoun. Okay, so these are the kinds of pronouns, different kinds of pronouns. Now let's check out one by one. Yeah, so the very first one is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. A personal pronoun stands for a person or an object. Okay, so personal pronoun stands for what? A person or an object. Okay, for example, Seema is not well. Okay, Seema is not well. She went to visit the doctor. She went to visit the doctor. So here she is personal pronoun. Okay, why? Because it is related to Seema, right? So that is why personal pronoun. She is personal pronoun. Okay. B number, the computer is new. It is gifted from mother. So it is our personal pronoun. Okay. So here she and it are used instead of Seema and computer respectively. Hence, they are personal pronouns. Some examples of personal pronouns are he, she, it, and they. He, she, it, and they. Personal pronoun stands for 3 persons. First one, the speaker of the sentence. Okay, the speaker of the sentence, the first person I and we. Okay, then second number, the person spoken to, second person you. Okay, and third number, the person that the speaker is talking about, third person he, she, it, and they. Okay, for example, I told you about Rohan and showed you the red car that was his. Okay, so I is personal pronoun, you also pronoun, about Rohan and showed you the red car that was his. So here I is first pronoun. Okay, first person pronoun. Okay, I is first person pronoun as it stands for the speaker. Then you is the second personal pronoun as it stands for the person spoken to, and his is the third person pronoun as it indicates the person spoken about. Okay, now the third person has 3 genders. First one, masculine he, second number, feminine she, and third number, neuter it. So personal pronouns have 2 numbers, singular and plural. Okay, so first person I, me, my. In the plural, what will happen? We, our, us. Second person, you, yours. And in the plural also the same will be happen, you and yours. And the third person, he, him, his, she, her, hers, it. And in the plural, they, their, thems. Okay, so now let's check out B number exercise. Change the pronouns into their plural forms. The first one has been done for you. So the first, please use the carry, please use the crayon set, sets that are his. Please use the crayons sets that are his. So let's check out the answers. Please use the crayons sets that are theirs. Okay, now here they have used plural forms. Okay, they have used plural forms instead of his. What they have used? Theirs. Okay, so we have to use plural pronouns. Plural pronouns are which? We, ours, us, you, yours, they, theirs, and them. Okay, so we have to use these personal pronouns here. So second number, Rohit gave me some flowers. Rohit gave me some flowers. So what is the answer in the second number? The answer is Rohit gave us. Okay, instead of me, what will come? Us. Rohit gave us some flowers. So answer is Rohit gave us some flowers. Second number. Third number, send me the letters to him. Send me the letters to him. So its answer is send the letters to them. Okay, instead of me, what will happen? Him. Instead of him, what will happen? Them. Okay, now fourth number, the teacher was talking to me. The teacher was talking to me. So its answer is, fourth number answer is, the teacher was talking to us. Okay, so us. Instead of me, what will come? Us. Okay, now five number, which is already in your textbook. So five number, yeah, he brought many gifts for me. So its answer is, they brought many gifts for us. So they, instead of he, what will happen? They, and me, for me. So instead of me, what will happen? Us. So they brought many gifts for us. Sixth number, may I come in? So its answer is, may we come in? Okay, I, instead of I, what will happen? We. Seven number, mother has asked you to visit the school. So its answer is, mother has asked you to visit the school. Okay, then eight number, you can come along with John. So its answer is, you can come along with John. So answer is same. Okay, you is also used for plural. You is also used for plural, and you is also used as singular also. Okay, now like nouns, personal pronouns to have cases. To have cases. For example, personal pronouns are said to be in subjective case. Subjective case, when the pronoun is subject, when the pronoun is the subject of the sentence. For example, she, he, I, and you. Possessive case, we, when the pronoun shows possession. Okay, when the pronoun you shows possession, mine, your, theirs, they, hers, and his. And objective case, when pronoun is used, when pronoun is the object of the sentence. For example, me, them, and him. Okay, for example, subjective case, you are my friend. You are my friend. So you is the subject. You is subject. So possessive case, this house is mine. Okay, here mine is a possessive form. Mine is possessive form. So here mine shows possession. Okay, mine. Then objective case, he plays with them. So them is object. Okay, here them is the object. Now turn the page number 37. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are words that are used to point out people or things they stands for. Okay, demonstrative pronouns are used, or demonstrative pronouns are the words that are used to point out people or things they stands for. Okay, for example, this is my book. Okay, this is my book. So this is the demonstrative pronoun in the singular and plural. Okay, singular, this and that will come, and in the plural, these and those will come. Okay, this is the demonstrative pronoun in the sentence. In this sentence, the various demonstrative pronouns are used are as follows: this and that. This and that may be used sometimes to refer to all that was said earlier. For example, the priest gave an enlightening speech. The priest gave an enlightening speech. So many people did not like that. Okay, so that is the demonstrative pronoun which is used for that speech. Okay, then enlightening speech, for showing that here it is written there that here that refers to the speech. Okay, now G number exercise. Hello everyone. Yeah, here after page number 37, page number 38 is missing, I think. Yeah, page number 38 is missing, but yes everyone, page number 30. Yeah, sorry everyone, but page number 38 was missing, so I have captured the photo of it, and let me complete the page number 38 as we have completed the demonstrative pronoun which is on a page number 40, but right now page number 38. Okay, after 37, 38 should be there, na? Okay, so page number 38, this is the table below displays the genders, numbers and cases of personal pronouns. Subjective case when used as a subject, then a first person I, we, second person you, third person he for male, she for female, it for neuter. Okay, and they. Okay, then singular and plural. Then possessive case. For the possessive case, to show possession, first person mine and ours. For second person, yours and yours, and the third person, his for male, hers for female, theirs for plural. Okay, then objective case when used as the object. For the first person me, for the second person you, and for the third person his for the male, hers for the female, it for the neuter, and the first person us, second person you, and third person them. Okay, for plural. So like this we can use it. Then the personal pronoun it. First one may refer to a thing, an animal or a child. For example, the dog is active. It looks happy. So it is what? it is pronoun. Okay, it is personal pronoun. It is used for dog, okay, animal. Then second number, it is also used as a meaningless subject when it refers to weather, time, distance, or temperature. For example, it is pleasant today. It is pleasant today. So it, okay, it is also used for meaningless thing or weather or time or distance and temperature. Then B number, it is 8 o'clock now. Okay, so it, we can use it. Then C number, filling the blanks with I or me. Filling the blanks with I or me. First one, give me something to eat, I am hungry. Okay, in the first blank me, in the second blank I. Second number, can you drop me at the airport? So me. Okay, answer is me. Third number, I shall give you the book myself. So I. Answer is I. Fourth number, you and I will go together. So I. Answer is I. 5 number, my parents love me. My parents love me. So answer is me. And 6 number, I have a pet monkey. So I. Answer is I. D number, filling the blanks with we or us. First one, we must save water. Second number, they should have called us on time. So us. Answer is us. Third number, we should learn from our mistakes. So we. Answer is we. Fourth number, most of us do not learn from our mistakes. So us. Answer is us. 5 number, they have left us behind. So us. Answer is us. 6 number, let us hope for the best. So us. Answer is us. E number, tick the suitable words from the brackets. First one, our students are working hard so they might win the match. So answer is they. Okay, answer is they. Second number, I called them up to know whether they had reached on time or not. So first one, them, and second them, they. Okay, second they will come. Then third number, please don't call me. Answer is me when I am working. So I. Answer is I. Then fourth number, my mother is not in her room. I wondered where she has gone. Answer is she. 5 number, can you carry the bag yourself? So you. Answer is you. And 6 number, when I play with my pet dog, it feels happy. So answer is it. In the first one I, and in the second it. Okay, so possessive pronouns, a pronoun that shows possession. Okay, a pronoun that shows the possession or ownership is called possessive pronoun. Okay, dear students, possessive pronouns means a pronoun that shows the possession or ownership. Okay, it is mine, it is our, it is yours. Okay, like that is known as possessive pronoun. For example, these books are his. Okay, so his is the possessive pronoun in the example. The various possessive pronouns are as follow. A personal pronoun in possessive case is a possessive pronoun. Okay, so here we have completed page number 38. Now page number 39. Page number 39. So on a page number 39, personal pronouns and possessive pronouns. First one, in the personal pronoun I and we, and in the possessive pronoun mine, ours. Second person, in the personal pronoun you, and in the possessive pronoun yours. In the third person, In the personal pronouns, he, she, it, and they, and in the possessive pronoun, his, he, his, she, hers, they, theirs. Okay, it does not have any possessive pronoun. Okay, it does not have any possessive pronoun. Okay, pronoun, yeah, it does not have any possessive form. Okay, then difference between possessive pronoun and possessive adjectives. So let's check out. We often get confused between possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. A possessive pronoun is always used in a place of noun. Okay, in place of noun. Then for example, this is Rita's pen. This pen is Rita's. Okay, this pen is Rita's. This pen is hers. Okay, so the pronoun hers is the possessive pronoun. Okay, hers is the possessive pronoun used instead of whose, instead of Rita's. Okay, now read this sentence. This pen, this is her pen, this is her pen. So the word her is placed before a noun pen and acts as a possessive adjective. Okay, so here her is used before a noun pen. Okay, and it acts as possessive adjective. Okay, now we should remember that a possessive pronoun is always used in a place of a noun. Okay, but a possessive adjective is placed before a noun. Okay, so before a noun possessive adjective is used. Okay, then possessive adjectives are words like my, ours, my, our, yours, your, his, her, its, and their. Okay, for example, the bag is new. The bag is new. Its handle is made of brass. Okay, so it's, then it is used, it is the possessive adjective here. It is the place, it is placed before the noun handle. We can never use its in place of a noun, so it is never used as possessive pronoun. Here are some more examples of possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. For examples, a number, all the toys were his. Okay, so his is possessive pronoun. B number, she brought a new dress in that packet. That packet is hers. So hers is possessive pronoun. C number, the painting belongs to the budding artists. They are theirs. So theirs is possessive pronouns. Okay. Then D number, the boy held his toys tightly. So his is the possessive adjective. Okay, so here his is a possessive adjective. E number, the girl gave her application to the teacher. So her is possessive adjective. Okay, then F number, the players kept their hockey sticks in the corner. So there is possessive adjective. So now F number, filling the blanks using possessive pronoun given in the brackets. So first one, can you get your football? Can you get your football? Mine has a puncture in it. So mine, answer is mine. Okay, mine, M-I-N-E, mine. Second number, Rahul said, teacher, I am yet to get my new identity card. The teacher said, yes, yours is with me. So answer is yours. Okay, answer is yours, Y-O-U-R-S. Soma said, is that Rani's bag? Rohan said, yes, it is hers. So okay, so answer is hers, H-E-R-S, hers. Fourth number, I shall carry my own bag and you should carry yours. So answer is yours. Okay, answer is yours. The next one, fifth number, Johnny does not wear caps. How can this green cap be his? Answer is his. Sixth number, my library card has expired. Can I borrow yours? Answer is yours. Okay. Seven number, these cars belong to my neighbors. Even these bikes are theirs. 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 Okay. And eight number, are those chocolates and flowers on the table yours? Okay, answer is yours. Okay. Now we will come on a page number 40. Page number 4040. Okay, as we have completed demonstrative pronoun, which means by demonstrative pronouns are the words that are used to point out people or things that stands for. Okay, for example, this is my book. I have already discussed it before. Singular demonstrative pronouns are this and that. Okay, this and that. And plural pronouns are these and those. This is the demonstrative pronoun in this sentence. The various demonstrative pronouns are as follows. This and that may be used sometimes to refer to all that we said earlier. For examples, the priest gave an enlightening speech. So many people did not like that. So here that refers to the speech. Okay, that refers to the speech. G number, filling the blanks with the suitable demonstrative pronoun. First number, this is a gift for you. Okay, so this, THIS, this. Second number, this is the painting I bought yesterday. So this, answer is this. Second number, these are all excuses. So THESE, these. Okay, these are all excuses. So answer is these. Fourth number, this was my friend who came from London last week. So this, THIS, this. Fifth number, these are the books which need to be returned. So these, THESE. Okay. Sixth number, those, THOSE. Those are the boys who came to meet the principal. Seven number, this is the route which needs to be avoided. And eight number, this is my book and that one lying there is yours. Okay, so answer is this. First answer is this and second number that. Okay, so like that we can use. Now interrogative pronouns. In the interrogative pronouns, dear students, in the interrogative pronouns are used for asking questions. Okay, interrogative pronouns we are using for asking questions. For examples, what is your name? So what is the interrogative pronoun in the sentences? In the sentence, interrogative pronouns are as follow. First one, who, when, whose, used for asking questions about persons. Okay, so whenever you want to ask, okay, who, when and whose, we are using for asking questions about the persons. Okay, then what is used for asking questions about things, and which is used for the person who answers has. We use which when the person who answers has to make a choice among different possibilities. During that time we can use which. Okay, for examples, A number, who is calling me? So Raja is calling you. B number, whom do you want to meet? So answer is I want to meet Rani. And then C number, What do you want? Its answer is I want your cricket bat. D number, which of these sweets do you want? So its answer is I want the green one. Okay, so like that, what and which can also be used as interrogative adjectives when they are placed before nouns. For examples, what schedule did you make? B number, which bag did you buy? So here, what and which are used as interrogative adjectives as they are placed before schedule and bag. So now H number, filling the blanks with the suitable interrogative pronouns. First one, who is the new teacher in your class? So answer is who. Second one, what is your roll number? So what? Answer is what. Third number, which of your books you read? So answer is which. And fourth number, whose textbooks is this? So whose, WHOSE. Now on a page number 41, five number, which is the shortest route to New Delhi? So answer is which. Six number, with whom are you going to the market? So answer is whom. Seven number, who are the top rankers students of your class? So answer is who. And eight number, whose pencil is this? So answer is whose. Okay, WHOSE. Now reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are those pronouns in which the actions done by the subject reflect upon the subject. These are the words. Okay, these are the words like yourself, myself, and herself. For example, he hurt himself while running. He hurt himself while running. The following chart depicts the different form of the reflective pronouns. First person pronoun I, we. In the reflexive pronoun singular, myself, I, myself, we, ourselves. Okay, you, yourself, you, yourselves. Yourselves we are using for plural and second person. In the third person, he, himself, singular. She, herself, singular. It, itself, singular. They, themselves, plural. Okay, now I number, filling the blanks with the suitable reflexive pronouns. First one, Misha was angry with herself for the mistake. So herself, answer is herself. Second number, I fell from the stairs and hurt myself. So answer is myself. Third number, we enjoyed ourselves in the park. So ourselves, OURSELVES, ourselves. Fourth number, they went to the auditorium themselves without any guardian. So answer is themselves. Five number, when alone, I often catch my grandfather talking to himself. So answer is himself. And six number, the train came to the halt by itself. Answer is itself. Okay, now emphatic pronouns. Emphatic pronouns are those pronouns which are used for emphasis. Okay, which are used for emphasis and have the same form as reflective pronouns. Okay, so for example, she herself asked me to call you. An emphatic pronoun less emphasize. For example, he himself paid the money. A reflective pronoun always answers the questions whom. For example, she locked herself inside the room. So in the given sentence, we should ask the question, locked whom? The word herself is the reflexive pronoun and answer the questions. Okay, now reflective pronouns, relative pronouns. Okay, now relative pronouns are used to join sentences, to refer back to noun or pronoun is its pronoun call its ante- antecedent antecedent, and also to introduce noun clauses or reflective clauses. For example, the baby who stole his wallet has run away. Okay, so the baby who stole his wallet has run away. So who is the relative pronoun? Okay, second, turn the page number 42. Page number 42. Words like who, whom, whose, which, they, and that are used as reflective pronouns. Okay. Then J number, filling the blanks with suitable reflective pronouns, relative pronouns. Okay, so first one, I know somewhat, I know someone who eats only fruits. Okay, so who? Answer is who. Second number, the White House which is beside ours belong to my friend Varun. So answer is which. Third number, the shop that had shut down last year is reopening on Monday. So that. Fourth number, my friend whom you met that day is going to the USA for higher studies. 5 number, the coffee which we had in the morning was rejuvenating. That rejuvenating. Okay, then 6 number, the plants that we watered yesterday look healthy now. Okay, so that. So the next one, indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns refers to persons or things. Okay, indefinite pronouns are refers to persons or things in general rather than to a specific person or thing. For example, everybody knows that she is a good singer. So everybody. Okay, everybody is indefinite pronoun. Then B number, when I joined my new school I did not know anybody. So anybody is also indefinite pronoun. Why? Because whether whether he or she will be there. Okay, right, both the things will be there. So anybody and everybody, these both are used as indefinite pronoun. Some examples of indefinite pronouns are all, any, and several. Okay, all, any, and several. Reciprocal pronoun. Reciprocal pronouns are used to refer to or more people who can carry out an action at the same time and are affected by its consequences, consequences at the same time. Okay, for example, Jack and Jill help each other. So each other is reciprocal pronoun. B number, all the team members should help one another. So one another is also reciprocal pronoun. So reciprocal pronoun are each other and one another. Each other is used when two persons are involved. Okay, so whenever two persons are involved in the sentence, that time we can use each other, and one another is used when more than two persons are involved, that time we can use one another. Okay, so K number, exercise number K, identify the pronouns involved in the given sentence. Says the first one has been done for you. So first one, who wishes to see me, so that is interrogative pronoun. Second number, you are my best friend, so you is personal pronoun. Third number, John hit himself when he fell from the camel, so himself is reflexive pronoun. Fourth number, these are the books that I kept on the table, so these are demonstrative pronoun. Okay, these are demonstrative pronoun. 5 number, the girl who came late was punished, so who is relative pronoun. 6 number, this book is mine, so it's possessive pronoun, mine is possessive pronoun. 7 number, he himself went to buy the chocolate, so himself emphatic pronoun. 8 number, the boy who gave the television interview is my friend, so it's who is relative pronoun. Okay, it's a relative pronoun. 9 number, neither of them has been to London earlier, so neither is in indefinite pronoun. 10 number, everybody appreciated the child's efforts, though he did not win, so it is also indefinite pronoun. Okay, indefinite pronoun. So now let's check out page number 43. It's the last page of our chapter. L number, filling the blanks with the suitable pronouns from the box. First one, either of them can represent the school in the competition since both are good singers. Okay, so either. Second number, despite being rivals, Rahul and Vivek do not disrespect each other. Answer is each other. Third number, neither of these boys stays in Delhi, so neither. Fourth number, the student of the entire school looked at one another in surprise when the teacher told them about a surprise test, so answer is one another. Then 5 number, would you like to have something? Answer is something. Okay. 6 number, I don't feel like having anything, so answer is anything. 7 number, nobody wants to play in that park during the rainy season, so answer is nobody. Okay, answer is nobody. And 8 number, last number of our chapter, somebody wants to meet you, so somebody, answer is somebody. Okay, so here, dear students, we have completed our chapter. In the next video, we are going to check out the next. Till then, you just write it down all the exercise A to L. You just write it down all the exercise, and remember, if you want to read, please read it and try to remember it. Okay, so here, as we have completed the chapter, you have to write it down all the exercise of this chapter in the textbook only. You just write it down, and whichever the place has not been given in the textbook, that only you just write it down in the notebook. The rest of the things you can mention it as I have also mentioned in the textbook only, so like that you can also mention, or you can also write it down in the textbook only, and whichever place is not there, that only you just write it down in the notebook. Okay, So you just see the video and do the exercise of it and try to memorize, try to think. Okay, thank you and have a good day everyone. Bye bye.